Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am out here with Rat on a rope. We had to stop and actually fix his muffler. Bracket broke.
That happens.
That's why you carry spare stuff. So how's your suspension doing after the rebuild?
There's no dealer out here. We got it though. We'll make it happen.
Yeah.
Park potential.
And now we're going, I don't know where. So we are at 5,820 feet. 10 o'clock in the morning. It's about 80 degrees. But it'll get cooler up here in these mountains. It was about 70 degrees when we started. If you look back at my last video, we went and looked at some pictographs. Really cool. Really cool. We're going over the pass here. I'm not sure what the name of this pass is. Over this mountain here. But I'm sure Rusty does up there. He knows this area way better than I do. We're going to Pierce. I think we're going that direction. Soaring Pass, 3 miles. I've not been that way. I guess I've been to April Mine up there. This is a nice ride through here too. I've been through this right here. Me and the boys have been through here. To Pierce. There's probably trails off this road too, but I don't know. Yeah, he had a malfunction there. He had a bracket brake that holds his muffler up on the KLR. So he got it rigged back up. He just have to, when he gets home, make a new bracket to hold it. I've had stuff like that happen before. At least it wasn't nothing major. Feels good and cool up through here. We are down in the valley now. But it's an easy road. Just going through all that right there was easy road. Not much to it. It's getting easier down here. You could drive a car through this. There comes a Jeep. Cowboy in a Jeep. They let you know it's 15-mile-an-hour corner on the dirt road. A little dusty. That's the thing about monsoon rains, it's kind of spotty. It don't just rain everywhere all the time. Like they probably haven't got much rain over here in a while. Oh, that feels good to hear. Cool air. Hey, rock off his bike, get me on the helmet. If you're wondering why I'm staying way over here on the left, it's because I'm trying to stay out of the dust. Just when I get to a corner, gotta look ahead or get over to the right. See somebody coming way up there making some dust. Road flooded ahead. Ooh, that's muddy over there on the left. Say it was flooded a lot worse than that a few days ago. Coming out a paved road here. Am I on the wrong side of the road? See, I'm so used to riding over here, I guess I am. Guess I better get over here where I belong. Pierce Cemetery. Historic Pierce Cemetery.
1916. Just up on the next block, there's the rest of it's looked up a little ghost town.
So I've been over that pass where we went down this road to Pierce.
Okay.
I don't remember coming by here, but I had to go to Pierce, I guess.
Yeah, yeah.
And but where we turned right there at that sign, that where it says ends 5 miles, that's at April Mine.
Okay,
Yeah.
Yep.
I remember when I seen it. Now the other one that says something past Samoa Pass, I don't know what that is. 3 miles, I don't know where that is. Okay, leaving the cemetery. Come over to look at it. Old cemetery. Hey guys, just want to let you know if you want to save some money and you want a super quality product, this is the Nelson Rigg Gear line of hurricane luggage. Hurricane means it's the outdoor, off-road, 100% waterproof luggage from Nelson Rigg. It is super good quality. Lifetime order, you just can't beat it. And if you want to save 25% right now, go to nelsonrigg.com, put in the code Woodzman, WOODZMAN, and you save 25% off your order. Any orders over $50, you get free shipping. Right on.